Hi, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. We're doing a series on the Jeep Badge of Honor trails in Hot Springs, Arkansas, at the Hot Springs Offroad Park. Now this video is about Fun Run. Fun Run is just a little less than a mile long. I think it's at 0.97 miles. It offers twists and turns, starts off with rocks and then later big rocks. It's famous for the rock slab, which is about a 25-degree incline plus or minus, and goes about 50 yards. Now, if the weather has set in, then this becomes even a bigger challenge. So don't always look at a trail rating saying this is 3 diamonds and then you should be able to do it. Please check in with the park store and find out if anything has changed. What we do is we actually show you the entire trail, but we speed up through normal twists and turns and then pause and give a little bit more explanation on what we're doing during some of the challenges we face. So come along, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. We'll be tackling this trail in our Jeep Gladiator. It has 38-inch tires, 3.5-inch lift. All right, day 2 at the park store. We are airing down, and we're just gonna hit a few more trails today. You'll catch it on the video. We are headed northeast on Park Road 1. So we're heading to Fun Run, and we're on Road 1, but to get to Fun Run, we need to go to through G19, and G19 is the road to, and I'm gonna call it Emmaus if I'm saying it correctly, but the road to Emmaus, and then the Fun Run breaks off of this road, as you can see on the map. So let's get up this road, and then we'll start it again at once we get to Fun Run. So on road to Emmaus, we come to a spot as we're heading to Fun Run. You'll see Highway 1 behind us, or Road 1 behind us, and then you'll see this path to the right, but it's do not enter. It's an exit only. It's the exit of Fun Run coming back on G19. As you know, Fun Run is a shorter run. So again, we're heading to that on road to Emmaus. So we come up to this point, and where you see the road to Emmaus, G19 continues to go to the left, but over here to the right, G3, you see Fun Run. And this is where, also remember, Fun Run is the Badge of Honor trail, so you want to be locked and loaded on your app. Driver side. Keep driver side. Keep steady pace. Go passenger side now. Now driver side. Keep going straight, and then you're going to come up a hill on your passenger side. So get ready, go. Keep the power. This one, slow down right here. Perfect. Now go passenger side. Hard. Passenger side a little bit. Straight, but watch the tree on your side. Hey, now go driver's side. Nice incline as you get to the top of Fun Run, and then more fun begins. So I've just been spotting and she's been driving. And we are going to come down to this small slope, navigate the trees, which is plenty of space here, and then just kind of hold to the outer edge. Let me flip this around so we can kind of see where the Jeep is. Keep coming straight. Kind of hold to the passenger side a little bit. Keep coming, okay, keep coming straight. Hold there. Now I'm gonna straighten up to the driver's side. It's just a slope. This one's a little easy here. Come on down, come on down. And then keep coming straight. Don't turn yet, just keep coming straight till the whole body is down. Keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. Keep coming, keep coming. It's easy, easy, easy. And just keep riding that outer edge. Just a small crawl. Okay. Keep it in 4 low. And just kind of, we'll navigate. There's a little bit of a rock there we're gonna watch out for, but let's get up to it first. So a little narrow and small rock challenges, not that much. We got this one here, but as long as the tire stays to the left of this and just rides it up, we'll be okay. And then it'll be a little bit of a turn back to the passenger side here as we make our way up. Biggest issue is just avoiding any branches swinging wide enough as we approach. So if we come up this grade, you get to this spot, you can see the rock. So I could imagine if it was raining, it'd be a little slick, but we'll navigate it slow. Okay, big hill, slick rock, but it's dry, so you'll be good. Driver's side. I just ran up that hill. Steady speed, keep coming, driver's side a little bit. Keep coming straight, don't waver. Keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. Okay, passenger side. Passenger side. Okay, straighten it up. Great job. Get the truck through there, now turn right. Great job. Wow, that was a slope. More driver side. Driver side now. Driver side, come on down. Come on down. Now straighten up, straighten up. Ride that outside edge as you make this turn. Okay, driver side. Just trying to clear the trees. Almost through this trail. Nice, a lot of curves. Helps you work on your technique, outer edge, positioning between trees. Like here, we're gonna stay on the driver's side, and then now we're gonna go passenger side hard. And then we're gonna ride the passenger side edge all the way up to that tree, and then we'll go up the hill driver's side. Got good clearance there. Clearance here, and then we are just going to go up this hill on this side, on the driver's side. Yeah, full left, just keep going straight. You got it. Just a few little hills, but we just go up, up, up. Keep going. You got it, you got it. No issue. Slower, slower, slower. You can do it slow too. A little bumpy, but you got it. Now go, right now, go hard, driver's side hard. Driver's side hard. Now go passenger side. Excellent job. Goal here is to go close to that tree as possible on the passenger side. Now turn, and it's easy path up. Just watch the tree to your driver's side. Looks good. Crazy up here. Get close to the passenger side. Now, driver's side a little bit. Just all you're gonna do is ride the passenger side edge. Good job. Now go straight, come straighten up closer to the passenger side. Good job. Now you just go and you keep at it steady. Good job. Wow, that was a pretty good angle. Now you keep going. You keep going up this. Stay a little bit more passenger side. And just go to the top of the hill while I rest as I run. Wow, was that close or what? Dang. Hear that fan working. Hey puppy, what happened? How'd you fall over? Slow down. Sorry man, your dog fell. Just a lot of turns on Fun Run, but we are back here heading to Highway 1, and we are done with the Fun Run. And right outside the store, they got these air up stations, or if you bring your own, and get it back into standard air.